Hey, this is Ivory with MunchyGoddess.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make these delicious air fryer Philly cheesesteak egg rolls. For the ingredients, you'll need egg roll wraps, ground beef, provolone cheese, water, olive oil, Worcestershire sauce, onion, green bell pepper, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Start by making the egg roll filling. To a medium skillet, add the olive oil, ground beef, chopped onion, green bell pepper, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and Worcestershire sauce. Cook over medium heat until the ground beef is no longer pink. Next, lay an egg roll wrap flat and brush water on the outer edges, and then add 2 tablespoons of the ground beef filling to the center of the egg roll wrap, topped with provolone cheese, and then tightly roll the egg roll. Here's a closer look at how I roll my egg roll. Once the egg roll wraps are wrapped, go ahead and brush each egg roll with olive oil on all sides. Preheat the air fryer to 380 degrees Fahrenheit and set the timer to 10 minutes. Once the air fryer is ready, add the egg rolls and cook them for 8 to 10 minutes until golden brown. Flip the egg rolls halfway through. Once the egg rolls are done, remove them from the air fryer, let cool, and enjoy with your favorite dipping sauce. Thanks for watching!